Hi all. In the current session we will be covering the ISIN parameter. ISIN is basically a function that is used for subsetting of the data frame based on logical operation applied on a single column. For this exercise we are not constructing data ourselves, rather we are taking it from an URL. Again, importing pandas is necessary and the file is present in CSV form, hence we are writing read underscore CSV, and within parentheses you can see .csv is written. It's a raw data file that is present within GitHub repository, and this is how we can fetch it. Just for this example's sake, I'll be putting the link in the description. You may please go and take link from there. And this is how the data set looks like. It's not a big data, and there are just 3 columns and 6 rows present here. We will be majorly focusing on click column, and based on this we just want all the observations which is equivalent to no click. And the syntax is also pretty simple. Isn is the important parameter here. To start with, we have to write data and within square bracket another data. So it will be like data present in the data set. There is a column by name click, and from that column we want all the observations that are equivalent to no click. Something that we need to be careful about, just outside no click you can see there is this square bracket, and this basically symbolizes list, and it is mandatory to come up with this square bracket. And flexibility that we can have is we can also use multiple parameters inside square bracket. So if at all we would have wanted NA values or something else that were present in the data, we could have collected that as well. We believe to add some value to your existing knowledge. Thank you for watching. Please go through other videos in the playlist.